Discussion tasks. You can now leave a comment on any file report and make that comment a task. Let's take a look at these customer interviews. First, we'll review the report. Now, after reviewing the report, let's say I wanted to assign a task to another user, asking them to follow up with Joe Doe, the son, about some of the issues that were brought up here in the recommended improvements. I'll navigate back to the discussion page, and whether I mention someone by name or not, you can see that I now have the ability to mark a comment as a task. Let's go ahead and mention someone by name so we can also see that feature in action. I'm going to mention Jeffrey Ellsworth and ask him to follow up with Joe Doe, Jane's son, about the issues in the recommended improvements. Now that I've added my comment, I can go ahead and mark that this comment is a task. Then, add your comment. My comment has been added. You can see that I have asked Jeffrey Ellsworth to please follow up with Joe Doe, and the Resolve Task button has been added to this comment because I indicated that this comment was a task. Now let's take a look at the email notification that Jeffrey will receive because he was mentioned by name. Here is the email that Jeffrey received, notifying him that Chris has mentioned him in a comment. You can see the report, and you can click View Comment to be taken directly to the discussion page. Now Jeffrey is viewing the comment from Chris. It also highlights the comment blue since we jumped over from the email. Jeffrey has been asked to follow up with Joe Doe. So now let's pretend that we're Jeffrey, and we're going to go ahead and resolve this task. We've followed up, and now we're going to provide a resolution. We click Resolve Task, and then My.Pinnacle needs to know how was the task resolved. Well, Jeffrey will add the explanation that he followed up with Joe, and he was able to answer a lot of questions and provide more information. Now I can see there is a resolution to the initial comment. Chris posted this initial comment, marking it as a task, and mentioned Jeffrey Ellsworth directly. Then Jeffrey Ellsworth came into the discussion and resolved the task from Chris Schwartz. And here's the resolution. We highlight the resolution green. We also indicate that this task was resolved by Jeffrey Ellsworth. So that's how you can now add comments to the discussion and mark them as tasks, and then other users can resolve the tasks. We hope you enjoy this feature. It's ready to use now.